Good morning, guys. Okay, the soap is ready, and I'm about to take it out of the mold, and I'm about to cut it. So it is all ready, and I'm taking it out, and I am going to cut it and then put it on a drying rack. So you guys see, I got a whole loaf, and I got it on the cutting rack. So now I'm just going to put it in squares and start to cut it. These is really big pieces. I don't know if I want them this big. So starting to take them and cut them and put them on the drying rack with the turmeric soap. So my loaf thing is not wide enough. This one made for another one. So I'm just going to sit it face down like this, guys. And then just cut it. And cut your bars. And then you let them dry on a drying rack. And then you wrap them and send them out. And this will be the best soap for your skin, eczema, everything. And then you know what's in it because you made it. But this stuff, I love making my own soap. It has your skin amazingly beautiful. So yes, it have your skin amazingly beautiful. And I'll just let it dry. And I cooked it in a hot process, so the lye is going to be out like right away. That's why I cooked it like that. So I just let it like sit on here for like about a week. And then I go ahead and ship it out. I like it to be firm, because like if you right away, you know, use it, then sometime it melts quicker. That's why I want it to like sit a week to turn harder. And I'm gonna do this one back here, cut this back piece off. And it's ready, and sit it in a cool place. One time I made soap and set it under the heater. Like the vent was right above it, and my soap melted. I'm like, oh my gosh. So try not to do that. So now what I'm going to do is just show you guys how well it lathers up. So, and I do have on my face mask, guys. So take these little pieces that I have. But it lathers up really, really well. And this turmeric is going to work wonders for your skin. So, see how good it's lathering up? I see how well it's lathering up. And this turmeric work amazing for the skin. So the soap is ready, guys. So you guys should try this recipe. You guys would definitely love it. So, and with the vitamin E and all the moisturizer in there, it leaves your skin feeling smooth. So thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome morning. Bye-bye. Hi guys, another thing I wanted to bring to your attention. These is my test strips, guys. So it tests from 1 going all the way over, and it lets you know when you're, where the lye is at and how safe it is. So when I did my test script, so these is in the zone where they're not ready, that red. And if you guys see, I did my test script and I am in a 9. See the green? So it turned green. So it kind of lets you know the level of, you know, the lye in the soap. So you guys can get these test scripts, and they last like 3 years. And when you're making your soap and you want to make sure that it's safe to use on the skin, these is my test scripts that I use, and I know that it's safe. And then a lot of times too, when I'm doing a hot process, guys, just like cooking food, right? When you're cooking the soap, you can smell the lye, and it's a real, like, you know, it's a chemical smell. And then the longer you cook it, it starts evaporate. Like you don't smell it anymore. So that's too another way of me knowing that the lye is cooked out of the soap. So all right, guys. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget these test scripts. Bye-bye. And guys, this is the turmeric scrub that I use every day. If you guys was following my journey, remember how this part was all scarred up with acne and stuff like this. If you guys really start using this, if you guys can make the soap, make the face scrubs, go on my videos and look at my face scrubs, and guys, you will have amazingly beautiful skin. Remember, my eyes was pitch black, like if I got punched in them. And then the scarring. And then at night, I do use the Visible Difference Gel, guys. And that's a spot remover as well. I use that at night. But I use this face scrub every day. And when I got time, I let it sit longer. And when I don't, I just put it on and wash it off. So these will really help you, these remedies. So you guys have an awesome day. And guys, make some amazing skin. So if you can't do the soap, do the scrub, guys. Thank you. And I already have a video. Just go on my videos, click on all of them, and look at how I make my face scrubs. And I walk you through the steps. Real easy, simple. Bye. Okay, guys, here's a couple shots of my turmeric soap, and it's in a cool place. I'm going to let it dry for a week before I ship it out. And guys, here is all the research for the allspice, for the turmeric, for the cinnamon, for all these different ingredients, for the honey, like what all these properties do for your skin. So if you guys ever wondering if anything that I'm telling you is not true, here it is. You can look it up, and all these benefits the skin very well. You will have acne-free, blemish skin. So all these ingredients is very good for the skin. Try this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.